This is a must-know for anyone who is a security operations analyst or a cybersecurity engineer. In this video, you will learn about what Windows security event IDs are and why they are important to monitor. So if you are seeking a career in cybersecurity, this is a plus for you. And if you learn it in advance and speak about the skills in your next interview, or even apply this knowledge today if you are into network and system security. So without further wait, let's move on. Here's an extensive list of Windows security event ID, along with a brief description of each. 4624. This event indicates that a user has successfully logged on to a computer. 4625. This event indicates a failed login attempt by a user. 4634. This event indicates that a user has logged off from a computer. 4648. This event indicates a logon attempt with explicit credentials, such as when a user logs on with a username and password different from the one they normally use. 4656. This event indicates that a handle was requested by an application. 4663. This event indicates that an object was accessed. 4670. This event indicates that permissions on an object were changed. 4672. This event indicates that a user successfully logged onto a computer with administrator privileges. 4688. This event indicates that a new process has been created. 4697. This event indicates that a service was installed in the system. 4698. This event indicates that a scheduled task was created. 4700. This event indicates that a scheduled task was enabled. 4701. This event indicates that a scheduled task was disabled. 4702. This event indicates that a scheduled task was updated. 4719. This event indicates that a system audit policy was changed. 4720. This event indicates that a user account was created. 4722. This event indicates that a user account was enabled. Before I proceed with more event ID, you may want to check these IDs and their correlated events in your scene. This is where Scene can help you by performing machine learning and saving your time. 4724. This event indicates that a user account was password reset. 4725. This event indicates that a user account was deleted. 4728. This event indicates that a user was added to a security-enabled global group. 4729. This event indicates that a user was removed from a security-enabled global group. 4732. This event indicates that a user account was granted the right to log on as a service. 4740. This event indicates that a user account was locked out. 4742. This event indicates that a computer account was changed. 4746. This event indicates that a member was added to a security-disabled local group. 4747. This event indicates that a member was removed from a security-disabled local group. 4764. This event indicates that a security-disabled universal group was created. 4766. This event indicates that an attempt was made to add a user to a security-enabled universal group, but the user already existed in the group. 4767. This event indicates that an attempt was made to remove a user from a security-enabled universal group. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment if you are interested in similar content. Thank you.